Hi, my name is Karan V. Grover.
Fitness. When we talk of fitness, we generally talk about losing weight or looking good or eating right or going to the gym and doing the right kind of workout. So all this Praveen and Mehak can guide you like every other trainer in this country. What is different about them, let me tell you.
So guys, we got pretty simple exercise. So that's going to take your heart rate to about say 170, 180.
Then we die.
It's going to be a little taxing. And
collapse.
some real good fun.
Wedding pulao.
Wedding pulao, yes.
That's how. And then we'll eat pulao. A lot of pulao, carbs. So should we begin?
Let's go.
Begin. Let's go.
Ready? Praveen and Mehak, at a fundamental level, alter your attitude towards eating right, towards working out and being a certain way so that you keep functioning at an optimal level. And this I speak from personal experience. Trust me, Praveen and Mehak, you guys have enhanced the way I eat, the way I work out and the way I look after my body. Thank you for this. And
We're going to do some atomic push-ups. Let's go for it.
प्रवीण के सेशंस हम लोग फॉलो करते आए हैं. जब हम लोग फिल्म शूट कर रहे थे तब हमारे पास ज़्यादा टाइम नहीं होता था. वी हैड टू रीच ऑन सेट एट 7 in the morning. He used to mail us what we used to do. He used to send us motivational videos and the diet to follow.
Come on, buddy! So Deacon is going to do a box jump. It's going to be demanding from the legs mainly. A lot of core strength. He's going to be focusing on standing up on the top on the box on this platform and land back again. Let's see something more interesting. Yeah, they're going to use a lot of shoulder stability and coordination over here. Let's go.
See, my diet is originally set by Mehak. We both have been following that and I think we're pretty okay. Yeah? Not bad.
Being a vegetarian, the sources of protein are very less. You don't have access to poultry, no meat, no fish, nothing. So his maximum sources were taken from lentils and fresh cottage cheese. Apart from that, his diet was pretty much the same as a non-vegetarian.
So our next exercise is actually Praveen's speciality. And I think I and Diggy have done this a lot of times and now you should see it. These are called one-leg burpees.
So we just finished our kick-ass workout and you can see that they're sweating. So now we're going to move on to the most important aspect of fitness. That's flexibility, that's stretching. So let's have a look.
everybody watching this, follow Body Pro Coach, follow Praveen, follow Mehak, learn from them. Trust me, it will be the best gift you give yourself.